Eventually the stalemate ends as both birds couple for an exit. Female returns. I'm so relieved she's back inside the nest. And soon she settles in again to brood. This has been such an ordeal for the kestrels. It's the 12th of May and the kestrels have been incubating for over a month. As the chicks prepare to hatch, the female can feel them bristling with life. She's restless, sensing the first egg is ready. Underneath the female, just out of sight, the chick is hatching. She lifts up to reveal the first tiny chick. It's blind, still damp from the egg and completely helpless. It's amazing to witness these remarkable moments when that female kestrel sees her chick for the first time.